Hey yo. So guys, it's your boy Jay here with another banger video. So basically today what I'm gonna be showing you guys is how to tie a durag. Yeah, I know, I just cut my hair low. I just went to the barber shop. Yeah, my hair was a lot more full. So I'm trying to get the waves, you feel me? So what I'm gonna be showing you guys, how to tie a durag on there, like let's say 1 minute, because a lot of people they be trying to tie the durags. Durags is gonna take like let's say 30 minutes to 20 minutes to get a durag done, but I'm gonna show you guys how to tie a durag under 1 minute. Firstly, let me get my durag, bruh. Guys, I'm back. So firstly, before you tie your durag, you need to brush your hair. I use this brush, just the normal brush. I don't use the waves brush, I guess, but any brush could get you waves. You feel me? I want to get the 360 wave, so I brush my hair this way, that way. If you want to brush your hair, you brush your hair all the way from the front. You feel me? So I'm trying to get the waves, daddy. Yeah. So let me get my durag right now. So how to tie your durag? It's very easy though. You just gotta do it the easy way. Look. So you just gotta put it all the way to the front and make sure this line is straight, because a lot of people tying the durags, the lines all bent, slant. No, guys, no, you'll be looking all weird. You gotta make your durag line straight. For me, so this is how to tie the durag. You just move front. Oh shit, I forgot the knot. Chill. I forgot that I tied this knot. Sorry guys. So this is how to tie the durag under 1 minute. This is starting now. Look, you move to the front, just do it to the back. You do it to the back like this, but you gotta make your line, this rope, you gotta make it flat. Look, I like to make like a shoelace knot. See, the shoelace knot kind of thin. So you gotta pull the back, make it firm, so it's good. Get your hair firm. Feel me? See? So you get this one all the way down, so you can make this one perfect. Yeah. So this is it. Down your durag easily. Down the durag easily. You gotta make this line flat so you don't look all funky, you know, and the flatness will make your hair flat at the front. You gotta line it up. Yeah, get the other one. Get the other one. You gotta line it up too. Feel me? Yeah. Make it straight so you could get it perfect. Make it straight over here too. You could pull it at the back to make it more firm. Yeah, so that's how to tie your durag, guys. Easy peasy under, I guess I used like 1 minute or something. You see, that's the easiest way to tie your durag. Look at it, so cool, so firm, so smooth. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment, bruh. Drop a comment and share my video, bruh. So peace.